Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread with an easy recipe. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 and 1/4 cups of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. These 4 basic items are all you need to create a delicious homemade loaf. Making bread from scratch is incredibly rewarding and surprisingly straightforward, so let's get baking. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour, yeast, and salt. Gradually add the lukewarm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your bread light and airy. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth, elastic, and passes the window pane test. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Lightly grease a large bowl, place your dough inside, and turn it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. This crucial step allows the yeast to work its magic. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then shape it into your desired loaf. Our final steps involve the second rise and baking. Place your shaped loaf into a greased loaf pan and let it rise again for 30 to 45 minutes, or until it looks puffy. While it rises, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and it sounds hollow when tapped. Enjoy your freshly baked, homemade bread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.